Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the assets and environment so you can create a drawable XML now. Open Android Studio, pick the app module, and confirm res/drawable exists. If not, create it. Next, right-click Drawable, choose New Right Arrow Drawable Resource File, then give it a clear lowercase underscore name. Make sure to set the root element, shape, selector, or layer list, depending on purpose. Once done, you'll have a blank XML to edit. This first step avoids misnaming and ensures the resource resolves correctly at runtime. Now you build the drawable itself, focusing on how it behaves and looks. If you need a static background, use shape and declare size, corners, stroke, padding, and a solid color. This controls the visual appearance. For interactive controls, choose selector and add item entries with Android. State pressed or state enabled to define alternate drawables. For complex compositions, use layer list. Make sure to use DP for dimensions and hex, or at color references for colors, so the drawable scales and theme matches properly. Finally, apply the drawable and verify it renders as intended. You can set Android, background and layouts, or use Android, SRC for image view. For vector drawables, prefer app SRC compat. Then build the project and inspect on device or emulator to confirm appearance. If you see errors, validate the XML for typos or wrong namespaces and check Logcat for inflation exceptions. A key troubleshooting tip: if the drawable still doesn't appear, clean the project, invalidate caches, rebuild, and ensure resource qualifiers don't hide the asset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.